Your 20s aren't supposed to be the best years of your life. Social media sold us that fantasy. 1 second you're motivated to fix your life, 20 minutes later, you're lying in bed at 1 a.m. watching someone restore rusty knives while your responsibilities quietly pile up in the background. The internet convinced us that your 20s should look like freedom, money, clear skin, aesthetic apartments, and random trips to somewhere. But real life rarely looks like that. Most people in their 20s are just trying to figure things out. You're attempting to build a future while also trying not to spiral after spending 5 minutes on LinkedIn. Everyone looks like they have a plan. Truth is, most don't. A huge part of adulthood is pretending to stay calm while internally panicking. People don't post the stress, or the loneliness, or the constant feeling that you're somehow falling behind, even though you're still young. Your 20s feel uncomfortable because you're becoming someone in real time. It's being exhausted and showing up anyway. Trying again without immediate results. Feeling lost while slowly finding your way. And that's difficult when social media trained us to expect dopamine every few seconds. So if life feels messy right now, good. That probably means you're living a real life instead of performing a perfect one online.